You've got mail.
Yes!
Yes! I'm gonna open this box so hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do this unboxing outside. It just felt better, right? But my stand that I have for outside is probably gonna fall once or twice, so I apologize. This is a box that I got from White Mountain Knives. I once again kind of don't remember what I got. It's stuff that is probably newer because I want to show you guys newer stuff. My unboxing knife for the day is this awesome Hinderer that I just made a video on, putting these scales on, and I can't get it out of my pocket. It's not necessarily like the most, hey, there's a truck from Ronnie. It's not the most carry friendly in your pocket, but it's oh so satisfying. Oh, I kind of remember what we got here. So first, let's start off with this. This is a QSP knife. Those are Ronnie's trucks that are coming into play. This QSP knife is the infamous Piglet. Look at that. Everybody, watch out. This is really hard to do. So this is the Piglet. So I got this because I kind of like little tanky beast of a knife, and it does appear to have that. Now, I'm looking at it here. This is on phosphor bronze washers, and there's multiples of them in there, which also tells me that, while the action is really good as far as flicking it out there, the detent is really light. Oh, there it goes. There's Ronnie. Now let's just do that. So, that's odd. Let's try to scoot back a little bit. All right. So, the action is really light. The detent's really light, but the action is good. Now, this got so much popularity that they ended up making like a super high-end model of this for like 280 bucks. But I do believe this one's coming in at like $50. Now, just to kind of, I guess, test the waters here, how sharp did it come out of the box? It's shaving hairs, so it's sharp enough. I don't have any paper with me to show you, but this thing's pretty cool. Ergonomically, it feels good. There's no back and forth, no up and down, and it is perfectly centered. This is on steel liners, and QSP, their liners are okay. From what Neves Knives says, that they're a little cheap. But to me, I don't necessarily, this is kind of awkward, you're just seeing my freaking face. It won't stay up, I'm sorry. But to me, the liners are okay. I mean, it's just a cheaper knife, so it is what it is, right? Next on the list, so that is the QSP Piglet. Next on the list, we have a CJRB. Now this one's the new one, guys. This one's kind of interesting. Now if you guys don't like this format of me kind of looking like a slob outside, that's okay. I'm just doing it because it entertains me. I kind of wanted to get outside, do it, hang out a little bit. But this one already feels cool. This is the QSP Scoria. Is that what it is? It doesn't say the name. I believe this is the Scoria. So I believe this is a titanium pocket clip, and these are G10, like contoured but skinny G10 with the recessed liners. This knife is really, really well put together already. The whole reason I got this is I loved the look. I thought it looked freaking fantastic. It does have a flipper tab and thumb studs, typical of knives these days, because lately we've been just trying to get the most fidget factor out of knives possible. The action on the thumb studs works just fine. There is no back and forth, there is no up and down. The lockup actually feels really, really nice, and the action, look at that, right back down. The blade centering coming in perfectly center, and this blade stock is pretty damn thin, guys. When I do the review of this, I'm excited to see how thin that is. But in hand, this thing's a winner. Holy crap, the carry profile on this is stupid. This is stupid thin. Let's put it up next to the Piglet, which is like a knife of like yesteryear, right? That's the difference. Now to put it up against my giant freaking Hinderer, look at that. That's the difference. That's how thin this is. But these G10 scales are contoured. This feels really good. Let's take a look at the blade grind. Yeah, Blade grind looks good. This is also in the new AR RPM 9's blade steel. This knife, guys, is an absolute killer. I'm thoroughly impressed. This is kind of like the Civivi Nox. Like, I'm way more impressed than I thought I was. Gonna be. I literally got it just to get a newer brand because I haven't even heard anything about this. I'm actually going to release this soon, so you're going to get a sneak peek on the Hinder that I did because I did a scale install and stuff. But this is a CJRB Scoria. Scoria, I believe. I think that's the name of it. But holy crap, the action's good. Once I lube it up, it does feel a little, like, not gummy, maybe a little bit dirty. I blow it out, lube it up a little bit, and it's going to be even better. But check this out. I mean, it's damn near fall shut already. This is amazing in hand. Holy smokes. And like I said, I believe that's a titanium pocket clip. I don't have my magnet on me, but it does have a lanyard hole here, and this is just an absolute winner of a profile. The blade grind is a flat. It's DLC coated with a flat grind, so that's not a hollow, but I'm going to tell you this, the blade stock is already really thin. This this is awesome. So I unboxed the CJRB Scoria and the QSP Piglet. Sorry for this format. Again, I just wanted to get outside. I needed to get outside. It's fun to do these while the weather's nice. This Piglet's nice. It's a little beast of a tank. It's just really thick. It's like, bah! It's kind of like, you know, the Wee Knives Thug. Nothing like the Thug, but it's like that same concept, right? A little bruiser of a knife, really thick blade steel, or blade stock. Look at that difference in blade stock. Just insane. So I'm excited to review this because this was a big one back in the day. But, whoa, there it goes. But I'm even more excited to review this. I'm probably going to be carrying this very, very soon. This excites me. Obviously not as much as my Hinder scale and stuff that I got, which I don't want to show you too much because you get too much of a sneak peek. I just did a video that's not coming out anytime soon. Got a bunch of videos in the stable. But I am releasing every now and then something like this. I did not mean to give the middle finger. I am releasing something like this because this is the new latest and greatest. The Hinder can wait. This just dropped, and I don't even know if there's any left. But I got this from White Mountain Knives, so use my promo code EEDC at White Mountain Knives for 10% off. That is all I got for you guys today. The QSP Piglet, the CJRB Scoria, AR RPM 9, and D2, I think. Oh no, 14C28N, even better. Two very good blade steels. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Sorry for the weird format, but it is what it is, right? Have a great day, guys. I forgot to mention, absolutely tree-topping hairs. Just wanted to say that. That's how sharp this thing is out of the box. Get out of here. Yeah.